Normally, in this beach, it's very popular, but look at this now. There's no people.
Hopeless. We have no income for 1.5 years. This is like the last chance of them.
Even if the Starbucks is closed. There's no traffic at all. Just feel it's very empty. Have to find another way, not in tourism industry. Everyone have to find new way to save yourself.
ซื้อ2 กล่องก็ซื้อ2 กระปุกพี่กิน1 กระปุกเอาอะไรเพิ่มเติมไหมคะไปลองไหมคะ We are the new graduates. It's very hard to find a job in this industry, and everyone gonna adjust themselves.
Our target, our focus is just need to open our island. I'm sure that the people will not stay here anymore.